Hello guys, if you want to rank high in Google or ChatGPT, then you need high quality backlinks. If somebody say, "Hey, no, this is AI search in era, you don't need backlinks," they are lying. What I'm saying is, if you do better in a normal search engine, you do better in a AI search engine. The more you do better in a normal search engine, the more your answer with citation in a AI search engine. That's what I'm finding. So you just keep building links, keep writing good content for user, not search engine, and you are getting traffic. Hey, no, it is very best time to be alive writing content because you are not only getting traffic from search engine, you are also getting traffic from AI search engine. That is even better. So before I describe what this platform do, let me tell you two things. Never buy spammy backlinks, and never try to get links from one source. What I am meaning is, let's say you just wrote article about best crypto wallet for secure airdrop hunting in 2026, and you are trying to get a links from mainly for crypto wallet to rank in the specific keyword. Never do that. Make sure you revise your keyword. Like you can do 40 to 50%. Never overdo. Like you can get links from like what kinds of keyword comes in a crypto wallet, like a airdrop, Web3, blockchain, invest, withdraw, earn money. You can kinds of like extension like other keyword. You can search in a same rows other two. Make sure links and future Google update, you'll be profit safe because we will see this as a great strategy to build your business. So yeah, that is done. Now let me describe how this Bazoom can help you to get high quality backlinks to your website fastly. I think this is a new platform. That's why they are giving 150 credit. Yes, you heard me correctly. They are giving you 150 credit. You can purchase to buy links for free. So hurry. It is a new platform. So hurry. Sign in. It takes 2 days to make an account. They approve manually, I think, because it also took me 2 days to approve my account. So let's start. It is super easy to build links. You can see I already select the crypto, and this is a price, this is a website, this is a traffic it's coming from, this is from country, and you can see it's a lot of feature. Let me show you one by one. It's my assistant. You just go type I want to get links from, I don't know, crypto. No, boom, you can see it. You can see price is not that expensive. This is a website, this is a traffic, there's a good. Uh, when you see traffic is not that expensive, only 450, 530. Traffic is from Denmark. Look, there is a top tier country. That is awesome. And you and let's say you don't like Danish, you also can go to country and select. Let's say I go to United States. Okay, okay, that's done. You can see as a website, there's the price. You can see price is not that expensive. Only 300 from 175 from USA. That is a very cheap price when you ask me, because I'm getting a price like uh, 500. Price people are asking for me to get links, similar traffic. If you don't like, you can still see which traffic you like, and you also can like maybe you want to get traffic. There are more traffic to the website, more than 5,000. So you can see you are getting traffic with more than 5,000. And before you get links, make sure their website accept your article. Let's say I'm trying to write guest post in this website or crypto, so just click that. You can see the traffic is performing not that bad. Okay, looks like this traffic is little down. Okay, that's not big problem. It will grow. It will always happen in a Google update. That is not big problem. 18-year-old, that is a fantastic to see. They accept. Okay, CBD crypto, of course. loan, okay, casino. They also look like ton of they accept. That is fantastic to see. If you don't like, you also go manually. Like you can write crypto plus right or else we can do the same. You can see a ton of websites that are accepting guest post. You can just go one by one and send guest post, or you can use this Bazoom to get links to websites swiftly, fast, which will be a time saver. Time, of course, time and money saver. So yeah, what are the features of this app? Let me show you my order. Okay. Okay, let's say I will just give example. Let's say you like this website and just go buy and go to checkout. Go to checkout. Okay, that is done. Make sure you purchase this 25, because if you go for free you will not get links, internal links. You can see there is no internal link. If you want to get links, you need links, yes. So if you go free you will not get links. Make sure you go to 25, that's enough, and proceed payment. You have to remember that you are writing guest post and you have to give links to which website you want to get links from. Links to, sorry. And you have to submit, like after writing content, you have to submit Google Doc. They only accept the Google Doc, and just publish and wait for 24 hours to 74 hours and your article will be published. It's that easy. Let me show you my order. Sorry, in not progress. I will show you complete. You can see the complete view order. This is a file live links. That is, I get links to this article. This is a Medium article. From these links, I wrote guest post this. I wrote this article and I publish. Like earlier said, you have to write an article and submit here by writing. This is my guest post. I publish here. Like earlier I said, you have to first write and like add in a Google Doc, and you have to put your Google Doc links and they will publish your article in their website and they give links back to you. You can see I got links here. So yeah, that is all I have to say. So just go out there, write good content, buy high quality backlinks, and begin to rank high in Google and the other AI search engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, or any search engine, Brave, DuckDuckGo, Bing. Remember, quality matter than quantity. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any problem, just write in a comment. I do my best within 24 hours to reply you all your answer. And yeah, thanks for watching. Again, subscribe, share if you like it, comment. This is how YouTube, I think. Thank you. Yes, again. See you next video.